British startup Get Lost has turned the lightweight sports car into a trailblazing, off-road beast called the Project Safari. The one-off Project Safari's transformation has been designed to blend rally-inspired capability, road trip practicality, and design-led innovation in one two-seater package. To do so, the fundamental Elise body shell has been largely unchanged, but sits significantly higher off the road on much larger rally-style wheels and off-road tires. In order to fit the new wheel and tire package inside the Elise body, the team at Get Lost has fitted a set of black-colored wheel arch extensions, which are joined by a set of high-mounted driving lights, bespoke wing mirrors, and new LED headlights. The suspension setup is also completely new, providing the obvious raise in ride height as well as wider track widths. There are no fundamental changes to the engine, according to Get Lost, which means it will run the same iconic K-Series 4-cylinder petrol unit as the standard car, as well as a 5-speed manual gearbox. This powers the rear wheels, but what is new is the limited slip differential, plus a rally-style hydraulic handbrake. The intake has been moved from the body side to a roof scoop in a distinctive wishbone design that sits over the Elise's compact two-seater cabin. This rests on the rear roll hoop and sits in conjunction with a sculpted tire rest on the rear deck for a spare wheel.